Hello everybody, Prince the Bear here, and we're back at All-Star Movies. So I know you guys have been on your edge of your seats for us to finally make a return to the world premiere food court. Don't laugh at them, they love this place.
That's not true. You know that's not true.
But we're here to show you what they have to offer, so let's go in and get some movie grub.
Be sure to subscribe and enjoy the movies. Go to the theater. Making it custom. I got custom, so no olives. Natura is always a trustworthy vegan wine. You can see on the back of it, it's got all the beautiful symbols that you need for peace of mind, which I love. I wish we had more bottles that had vegan symbol on it. And these ginormous plastic glasses that I'm now convinced you can only get at quick service locations, but you can get it even if you don't see them. What you need to do is at the register, ask. At least one register will have them. It might take them a minute to find it, but they will find it. Here we go. Natura for the natural friends in me. In me? Something like that. Cheers to the community. It is like a very delicious, smooth, light white grape. It's very delicious. Great way to start a meal to pair with some beautiful seafood. I'll give it a 4 out of 5 wines.
Love a good glass of Natura wine. I second the princess on the vegan symbols. I know that obviously there's a certification process that a lot of companies probably don't want to go through to deal with, but at the very least, saying that your wine isn't tested or used on any sort of animals or animal products, or even processed using animal products, will go a long way. I will settle for that if you can't get us the vegan symbol. Searching for vegan wine, especially like when you're in a grocery store, can be an absolute pain, so every little bit helps. Just give us the one thing. I promise you, if you do that, I will promote your wines to anybody you want. As long as it's not trash. Because trash is still trash. Nice and crisp. Very fruit on the back end. A little acidic towards the end. But very drinkable. I'm still telling you that if you're at a resort, this is your resort day, the natural bottle of wine are $15. That's a better deal you're gonna get on any beverages. It's like, even if you fill this glass like 2 or 3 drinks, you won't find it on Disney property. Very rare. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
Bear decided to go with our 4% friend, the Schöfferhofer. Love us some good grapefruit juice, even though it's a very low ABV, but whatever. We're here for the flavor, right? Right. Beautiful, consistent, lovely. I wish that they had it on tap in more places than just the can, but it's delicious. I will give it a 4 out of 5 grapefruits.
This is definitely one of the weakest beers, alcohol by volume, they sell on property. But there are 2 kinds of people that drink beer. One that drinks for effect, and when the drinks are flavored. I need to know which one are you. I'm actually kind of curious. As a bear, of course I drink for flavor. Most of the time. 63% of the time, I drink for flavor. 4 out of 5 days.
Here we have the plant-based tuna salad salad. Plant-based tuna salad. Now, unlike some of the other value resorts that we have been to on Disney property, this one was not in the refrigeration case. This one was fully customizable. So I got mine without olives. It does usually have olives on it, and I also asked for the vinaigrette on the side just because I didn't want it to get like smothered. I probably should have also said no onions because Bear is intolerant slightly, but I think he can eat around. So I'm gonna do it princess style. I'm gonna grab some lettuce with some of this tuna, and I guess I'm gonna do a cucumber and a tomato, and then I'm gonna dip instead of pouring, just for Bear's sake. I don't know why it's for Bear's sake, but I'm saying that's what it is. Interesting. I never really ate like real seafood in salad, so I'm not really sure how that's supposed to compare. I like that it's not fishy. It doesn't have doesn't add a lot of texture. What really makes it is actually the dressing. The dressing is really delicious. I like the crunch of the lettuce. Everything tastes really fresh. But there's nothing really that like stands out for me on this salad. So I guess I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5 salads, but it does still toss my salad.
This is a family channel, man. So we have this plant-based tuna salad. Now this is a work of art. A nice, inventive-looking salad with alt meat, plant-based tuna, all types of lettuce and fixins, and banana peppers. All for the princess to enjoy. With pita bread. Like all her favorite things. Except for the banana peppers. She doesn't like banana peppers. I love banana peppers. As they fall into my hand. Oop. Beep. I'm gonna give it the ever slightest corner dip. Oop, there we go. And it's like a little tuna salad taco. Yeah, I'm going with that. Knock value resorts all you want. And I know there's some of you Disney elites and Disney adults that would never lower yourself to come into a value resort. The value resorts are bomb. There's bars within walking distance, quick service food that's usually made fresh and very high quality. There are some misses, but there are some misses in very expensive restaurants on property. Riviera. This is hitting on all cylinders for me. As far as salads go, I go a little bit more to plant-based tuna. Other than that, it's almost perfect. 4.5 out of 5 claws.
And now for the whole reason why we came to this value resort, the plant-based tuna salad sandwich. Beer, 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 beer. So beautiful, so beautiful. I literally dream about the sandwich so much. And I picked one that has a tuna ratio on both sides. So this one is gonna be way better than that one that we had at Pop Century. You just gotta be selective when you look at those sandwiches and just find the right one. Actually, I'm gonna go for a centerpiece instead of an end piece. Centerpiece for your life. Ooh, this feels so delicious. Okay, actually, I'm being really princessy about this. I'm sorry. I'm grabbing the one with the big pickled onions piece, and I'm going in for it. Oh. So I got the salad right because I thought, well, hey, if my sandwich is too, like, not filled enough, I can just take the tuna out of the salad and put it in the sandwich. Well, no, I didn't do that. I ended up eating all of the tuna by itself. And now I'm sitting here eating the sandwich, enjoying these amazing pickled onions that are in it, the crisp of a radish, arugula, the bread, and it's just so freaking good. I don't know how you can try this, vegan or not, and not be obsessed with the sandwich. The tuna is just like, I really wish I knew how to make it at home, because if I could make this at home, I would literally eat it every day. This is a 5 out of 5. This is the third time we reviewed this in the last, like, I don't know, 5-6 months. And it's 100% a Princessity's item. If you don't try this sandwich on your vacation, if you don't go to any value hotel or some of the moderates and get one of these sandwiches, you are missing out on one of the most delicious Disney vacations you could possibly have. I said what I said.
You gotta notice the princess likes the sandwich. It's a sandwich. They took the salad and they put it between 2 slices of bread. Evenly this time, I might add. It's probably not going to change your life. It might make your day. Or your early to mid-afternoon. 4 out of 5 flaws. I almost got the chicken stir fry, but it was going to take too long to cook and I didn't want to wait. Disney, I am happy that you have a Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month menu item here. That was in May. Now, even by the time you guys watch this video, that's still very, very late. Maybe it was on the menu then, and we didn't hear about it. It's just been hanging around then, and I'm not upset about it. I'm glad that you're doing it. If anything, I would say just advertise those items more. We'll help you. Just let us know. But I got instead the roasted buttermilk chicken. And buttermilk chicken, the first thing in your mind, I was thinking, like the princess, it was going to be fried, but it's roasted buttermilk chicken. You get like a whole third of a chicken, a nice helping of mashed potatoes and green beans. And it looks juicy, well seasoned. Let's go ahead and just cut off a wing here, or a leg, rather. Nice and juicy on the inside. That gives me good feels. This may actually be decent. Look at that. Seasonings on your chicken, people. Not that hard. A couple shakes to the wrist. Almost dropped it. I always worry when you have seasoning on the skin. There wasn't any other seasoning or prep done before, but this is actually juicy and well seasoned all the way through. See the seasoning's either under the skin. It's quite tasty. It's a nice herb chicken. I don't really get buttermilk from it. But maybe that's how they kept it all juicy and moist. I'm not mad at that. It's not often I run across chicken that's good. This is like what grocery store rotisserie chicken wishes it could be. Chicken on its own, give it 4 out of 5 balls. As for these mashed potato heads here, I'm sorry, Mr. Potato Head, you had it coming. Nice and thick, not completely smooth. There's some potato chunks in there. That's a preference thing. Some people prefer it all the way smooth. Some like it super chunky. I'm somewhere in the middle person, so this works for me. Give it that 3.5 out of 5 claws. Now, I'd watch out if you're one of my lactose lactose. If you're one of my lactose intolerant brothers, sisters, or theys and thems, it is very, very buttery. Watch yourself. Don't end up on the toilet online like I do. And we have some tasty looking green beans here. I hate green beans, but the princess has gotten me to love them over the years. If they're cooked right and not rubbery. A little wiggle wiggle. Okay. I don't know if somebody's rap career back there just took off, but this food today is spitting. Like Dylon. I'm not saying the rest of the quote.
My spit hot fire.
4 out of 5 plus. We're up in our food court and done anything else.
I said I was gonna leave this so that I can eat like later tonight, and I left myself one piece of sandwich.
She loves it.
One piece of sandwich. I'm gonna be hungry in like 2 hours, and I'm gonna eat this, and then
No more to the
what I'm
sandwich.
gonna do with myself, because I think I need to go buy another one of these.
She's gonna daydream that she gets another one.
They're just so good, you guys. They're just so good.
For the princess's sake, please come try this sandwich.
Please.
But I want to know what you guys think of World Review Record. What is your view of general of the Valley Resorts? I need you to leave me comments below and let us know. If there's anywhere else you'd like to see us go, of course, that's also going to be a place to find us. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Woo!
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you don't comment, I feel like Bear is going to ban me from my beloved sandwich for a really long time. And nobody wants that.
You heard the girl.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.